Good morning, everyone. How are you doing today? It is Sunday, October 4th, and that means because it's Sunday, I have to look myself in the virtual mirror and share with you my goals of the week. I do this every week for two reasons. One, selfishly, I believe goals are important. I break down my weekly goals and really see what I'm doing. But most importantly, it's for you. I believe being a successful real estate investor, a successful salesperson, success in any part of your life comes down to two things. First, it is focus on what's important, focus on what will drive to, get you step by step to your goal. And then second, it's on daily actions. I'm not a big believer of, hey, let me get 8 hours in on Saturday and that'll be it for the week. I would much rather see you spend 20 minutes a day. That is why if you take the time to buy my course at $199, How to Get Started One Rental at a Time, it is that. It is focus. This is where we start. And then it's daily action. And it is only after focus and daily actions that we then talk about building a team, your network, comparing deals, things of that nature. If you're interested in being a good real estate investor, I suggest taking a look at the outline. You can take a look at the playlist of other students. It really is still the best thing I have created. It is really being used to change people's financial future. I'm very proud of it. But I don't want to digress. Let me take a look at what I did this week, and you can tell me how you did this week. So here are my goals. Again, I track these weekly. There's a playlist on this channel, which you can go back and look. You can see at the bottom of the spreadsheet. I've started doing this back on December 1st, just clicking through real quickly, right? You can see that I've been, let's actually click it. Every week, right? Every 13 weeks it changes, right? What my goals are, you can see they change, but I report them back to you. So let's talk about week 5 of this particular 13-week journey. For me at this age, it all starts with health. If I'm going to be doing this for another 50 years, I got to make sure I'm healthy. So again, working out 7 days a week, doing something, feeling good, actually, pretty good. Last period, I hurt myself, but so far I'm being careful. Not doing as well on the fasting. Fasting really worked for me. If you want to see what it meant, go back and look at my daily financial news from December 1st to the 29th. I think there was a couple weeks I lost over 3 pounds. So it worked. It works for me. Give it a shot. As for the brand, One Rental at a Time, we did tick up a little bit on YouTube views. We're still below our 20,000 goal. Just need to keep plugging away, and I will. Podcast listens tick down a little bit, but again, I will celebrate because it's over the 12,000 goal. Again, that's my goal for this period, 12,000. We started out hot, man, 20,000 the first couple weeks, but it's been going down. But again, I will still call it a win because it's over 12,000. YouTube subscribers. This one's been disappointing. We have only hit the goal of 150 once during this period. I don't know what to say. I'm going to keep trying. I don't ask for it a lot. So a lot of this is on me. Also, I realize I put out a lot of material, which causes some people to unsubscribe. I'm sorry. I understand that's a risk I have. Instagram followers, I guess it's called, followers, subscribers, whatever. We did tick over 5,000. So thank you very much. We actually had a decent week, 60 new followers. So we exceeded our goal, and I want to thank you. 5,000. That's pretty amazing. As for the business, right, buying and selling and all of that, I did review a deal in the MLS. Didn't happen. My network brought me one deal, which we locked up, and then the seller changed their mind, and we let it go. And then I lost one person from the hub. If you don't know, the hub is an office building I have where I want real estate professionals in Fresno to come and work together and just help the community. And one person that was there decided that it wasn't for them. So it is what it is. So now we have 3 offices open. I am picky because I only want quality people and good people there, but we shall see. Did approve some marketing last week, so we will see how that goes. Still have some buildings in escrow. We did get the inspections back. They're all great, which as they should be because they were brand new basically. One of them I had to change. One of them had a leak that we had to go back. There was this gasket that was either installed incorrectly or was misplaced. Who knows? But that was the only thing. Real quick fix. I had the repair team go do it. It was free because they did the work. Gosh darn it. Haven't done anything unique yet. Olivia and I got to do something. We are being homebodies for sure. We got to get out of here, go do something. Even just drive somewhere and take some pictures. We got to do something. As for the week, creating inspiration and belief, yeah, it was okay. Did 25 videos again this week, so a little bit below the goal. Peak daily financial news, we got 850. It was actually out of yesterday's video, October 3rd. I think October 3rd video got a lot of hits because I called it a market crash, and I told you where the next crash was coming. Negativity sells, or I guess doesn't sell. Negativity gets clicks. It just is what it is. And then my peak video of the week was just over that at 864. So that was definitely a disappointment. It was on one podcast this week. Amazon reviews, only had 2. Again, Amazon reviews are a big deal for me. My book, One Rental at a Time, is still doing okay sales-wise. It is slowing down a little bit, but the Amazon reviews have slowed down. Love to see it get over 300 here this period, but we shall see. Audible reviews, almost 100. Man, that's crazy. Only 3 this week. Actually had more Audible reviews than Amazon reviews, which is odd because we sell a lot more on Amazon. Had 10 students sign up. Again, if you don't know, I offer a free course and I offer a paid course. The paid course is the best thing I've created. It's changing lives. But if you just want to check out the free course, it's there, and I'm counting everything the same. I'm counting how many people sign up. So I only had 10 last week, which was the slowest in a while. And then nobody's buying hats. So I thought this would be a better seller. Supporting the channel, one rental at a time, logo from the book. I think I've sold 6 or 7 over the last couple of months. I don't know. Maybe it's just not time to sell. Maybe I should take them down because it does cost me money to host these things. So I don't know. And then as far as charities go, we typically do most of our donations at the end of this period because what I do is I take profits from the book and I give it away. I'm lucky enough to be in that situation. So that's what we do. So in the end, again, these goals are important for me. I believe if you want to be a good real estate investor, it takes focus and daily execution. That is the secret. That is the easy button. It doesn't take 12, 13, 14 hours of YouTube University or Bigger Pockets consumption. It is focus and daily activity. And if you need help with that, I'm here to help you. How to get started one rental at a time is the link below. It's the best thing I've done. I'll see you in the course. And no, if you sign up for that, you get added to a private Facebook group where I do mentoring and answering questions. And we talk every Saturday at 9 o'clock Pacific. 9 a.m. Pacific as a give back. If you want mentoring from me, that's the closest you're going to get is buy the course and join the Facebook group. All right, everybody, take care. Have a wonderful day.